In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Battlefield 1 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you have been logged in, go ahead and click on the search box. And then you can type in Battlefield 1 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now, if you scroll down, you will find the Add to Cart button. Click on this option for your desired bundle or edition, and then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. You then have the option to use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just choose one and then enter your credentials. Then type in your billing information, and you can save this for later use as well. As soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. Then from your library, you can choose the install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait until this process is completed, and once it is done, you can start enjoying the Battlefield 1 game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Battlefield 1 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.